Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the temperature unit in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then just drag this section at the bottom of the page up to enable more functions. And then at the account and settings section, click on the settings button. And at the general section, click on the units button. And below, look for the temperature section. And as you can see, there are two units that you can choose from, so just set the one that you want to use within this application, and once you click on that, it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.